Hey guys, Kevin from Dynomite. Just doing a quick video for any of you guys that have swapped a Coyote, a Ford Coyote V8 into an older truck or a Foxbody Mustang and use the Ford control pack. We recently had a customer that brought us his 91 Foxbody Mustang that he had recently swapped over a Coyote using the Ford control pack harness and ECU. He was experiencing terrible drivability and stalling pretty well at every stop sign he came to. Now, there's two problems that seem to be common when it comes to this swap using the Ford control pack, so we're just going to go over them right now. As you can see here, I am in HB Tuners. I have the customer's file up, and the two things we're going to change, the first one is for the stalling. Now, by default, the Ford control pack comes with the torque decel switch disabled, and they run off what is called a dash pot. Now, the regular Mustangs, they have this enabled, but it's just the Ford control packs that don't. So the simplest thing to do is to just re-enable that, and that will solve your stalling problem. For the drivability, this one may be not happening to everybody, but our customer was running full long tube headers. So we went over to the fuel tab, oxygen sensors, and if you look on the right hand side here, transport delay. Now basically this is just delaying any changes made by the O2 sensors. Now if you think about long tube headers, the oxygen sensor is a lot further back than they are with manifolds. So what you have to do is put a delay in to delay the reaction. So I changed these two fields right here, basically highlighted the whole table and added 20%, so 1.2 multiply. And then same with the transport time constant. Whole table, 1.2. We took it for another drive, boom, problem gone. Now we did do some dyno runs when the customer was there as well, so thought we'd throw in the dyno run in this video as well.